If you're wondering how to remove someone from your Asana workspace, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to clean up your workspace or just need to manage your team more effectively, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it with no hassle. Now, before we get started, if you're new to Asana or want to try it out, you can get started for free today with an exclusive bonus available through the first link in the description below. Let's dive into how to remove someone from your Asana workspace. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Asana account. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace where you want to remove the user. You'll find this in the top bar of your Asana dashboard. Next, click on the drop-down menu to access the workspace settings. Next thing you'll want to do is head over to Members. This is where you'll see a list of all the people currently in your workspace. Find the person you wish to remove. Their name should be clearly listed here. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You won't simply click a button that says Remove as you might expect. Instead, click on the person's name and you'll see an option to remove from Workspace or something similar, depending on your version of Asana. Confirm the action and they will no longer have access to that workspace. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that Asana offers a few different roles, so depending on the person's role in your workspace, you might have to navigate to different settings or even request additional permissions to remove them. But don't worry, it's simple enough once you get the hang of it. Another important thing to note is that removing someone from the workspace doesn't delete their tasks. If you're managing an ongoing project and want to reassign their tasks, make sure to transfer those to another team member before you proceed. That way, your project keeps running smoothly without losing any work. Finally, you'll want to double-check that the person has actually been removed. If they're still showing up as a member, it's possible the changes didn't take effect yet. Sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes. To sum up, removing someone from your Asana workspace is quick and easy once you know where to look. Remember to always double-check your workspace settings, ensure tasks are reassigned, and confirm the removal went through. And before I wrap up, remember you can try Asana for free with an extended free trial, thanks to the exclusive offer linked below. Thanks for watching!